Visit now, our website marink.com for more fantastic information.
Aubrey Organics, Biotin Repair, Scalp Tonic, Citrus Rain, 6 fluid ounces, 177 milliliters. Product Overview Description. Baobab He Shou Wu renew and replenish, fortifies and thickens all hair types, fine and thin, true to nature since 1967, all natural ingredients, vegan, gluten-free. Refreshing tonic invigorates the scalp and helps keep it healthy and clear. Lightweight formula absorbs quickly and nourishes your scalp all day. Perfect for thinning hair. Revitalizing Citrus Rain scent. Features: benefits. Burdock Smoothes and revitalizes hair, tones scalp. He Shou Wu refreshes and energizes the scalp. Suggested use. Shake well before using. To use, apply directly to scalp. Massage vigorously, then style hair as usual. Use twice daily for best results. Other ingredients: Aqua, alcohol, denat, 38B, lavender, aloe, barbadensis leaf juice, hamamelis, virginiana, witch hazel, extract, glycerin, chamomilla, recutita, chamomile, flower, niacin, calendula, officinalis flower, inositol, polygonum multiflorum, He Shou Wu, root extract, lavandula angustifolia, lavender, flower, fragrance, chamomilla piperita, peppermint, leaf, tussilago farfara, colt's foot, leaf, recutita, nettle, leaf, biotin, citrus grandis, grapefruit, extract, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, arctium lapa, burdock, root extract, avena sativa, oat, straw extract, citrus medicalyminum, lemon, peel extract, equisetum hymal, horsetail, leaf, stem extract, fucus vesiculosus, bladder wrack, extract, panax ginseng root extract, quercus alba, white oak, bark extract, salvia officinalis, sage, leaf extract, saponaria officinalis, soapwort, extract, spirea ulmaria, meadowsweet, extract. Organic. Natural isolate blend sourced from essential oils. Certified cruelty-free. Contents biodegradable. Recyclable container. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.